I'm now with Tim Greenhill on the Wolseley Hornet Special Club. Good morning, Tim.
Morning.
And welcome to the Classic Motor Show 2025.
Thank you. It's the first time we've ever been here, so it's absolutely brilliant. We're loving it.
It's your debut, isn't it?
It's our debut, and it's our 75th anniversary. The club was started 75 years ago by Bill Boddy, and in order to celebrate that occasion, we thought what better way than to come to the show and show off our cars and our club. And
it's a really good array of cars as well.
Well, the whole point is that Wolseley Hornet Specials were built for a 5-year period, 1930 to 1935, and during that period they were just rolling chassis. And there were over 60, we found out, coach builders who built the cars. So we need to bring along a whole array of cars to demonstrate the different iterations of a Wolseley Hornet Special.
Now, about these specials, they're all specials, but was there a lot of difference in them, the engine-wise? Was the engine more or less the same in all of them, or are they all different?
No, obviously over the 5-year period the whole car and chassis evolved.
Right.
So it started as a 4-cylinder, ended up as a 6-cylinder overhead cam cross-flow engine. So the car matured and evolved over time. And because it had sporting pretensions, then so it became more and more powerful, and in the end it was used quite a lot for racing and still is today.
So could you just tell me a little bit about that car, the furthest one away, the red one with the back to us?
Okay, the red one is owned by what was the Smith family, now Crocombe, and the Chris Smith rebuilt it perfectly, and they've got 2 Wolseley Hornet Specials in their family, and that car is a Eustace Watkins car and is used frequently. It's in frequent use and is a typical Wolseley Hornet Special of its period.
And the one, this dark one here, the black one?
Okay, that's an earlier car that's built by Swallow Car Bodies, which was William Lyons, and some interesting little features on it. So for example, the key line down the side, the red key line, you'll see that it's got a kink in the key line, and William Lyons realised that the tail of the car was lower than the bonnet, and so in order to make that a coherent style, he created that little shape there, which is interesting.
And what about the specification of that car?
That's, as I say, it's an early car, smaller engine, lighter car completely. Yeah.
So what about the blue one over there? That's a bit of got a bit of a history, that, hasn't it?
Well, the blue one has done 20 miles. It's brand new, and the owner very generously brought it along here, and he built it himself. So it is, if you like, it's a modern version of what happened in period, in that he got a Wolseley Hornet Special chassis and engine, and then built his own body on it, and he literally made the wood frame himself, the aluminium body himself, the interior trim himself, and he started it 30 years ago, only he won't mention it. He started it 30 years ago, and in that period he got to lockdown, and he thought, if I'm ever going to do it, I'll do it now. And it's immaculate. It's a
lovely looking car.
It's an amazing looking car. It's a real showstopper. People walking past stop and look at it.
I think the rear of the car is a lovely shape.
Well, it's a one-off. I mean, I think he tried 3 times to get the shape that he really liked. Yeah. And it's the interior trim is beautiful. All period trim. It's a beautiful thing.
So what about this one, Tim? Here, the closest one to us.
Okay, this is a Sieber Special. There is a sort of a dynasty within the Wolseley Hornet Club called the Siebers, John and his sons, and this is built by Tony Sieber, the son, the oldest son, as a road and track car, and it's got a Hornet Special chassis, engine, gearbox, transmission, axles, etc., but modified, so the engine is lowered and moved back in the chassis to get a lower body line, and then obviously modified brakes and engine. It's not supercharged, but a number of them are supercharged, and are very successful in VSCC racing and hill climbs.
Yeah, I've done a number of films with the Siebers in them.
Have you? Yeah.
Very fast.
I used to race one. For 10 years. Yeah. Famous car called Red Henry, which ran on methanol, supercharged and ran on methanol, and was super quick.
So can we just talk about the car behind you now, Tim?
Yeah, that's my favourite car here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's owned by, again, 3 generations of a family. It was built by the grandfather, the son is using it, and the grandchildren are enjoying it. And he built a number of cars, but it's unusual in that it's a saloon. So, which is not many of the Wolseley Hornet Specials were saloons. And it's a gorgeous thing, isn't it?
So what's the spec of that? It's just, what year was that, would you say?
That's a 1935 Eustace Watkins car. Eustace Watkins Saloon. We've got the original advertisement on the windscreen of the advertising at the time. And as I say, it's unusual in that it's a saloon. Yeah.
It's a nice shape though.
Yeah, well again, it's a lovely shape, and it benefits from the latest crossflow overhead cam engine, which is a Hornet Hornet hallmark.
Well, thanks Tim for that information and on the cars as well and the history. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
Great pleasure to have you here and to be here to enjoy it with everybody.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you, Tim. Thanks.